Hi, I'm Patrick Call and I'm here today to talk about how you reset your Mac back to its factory settings. So you may have a Mac that you want to get rid of, and you want to get rid of all the details that are on there, all the information, all the private stuff, and you just want it back to how it was when you got it. Or someone may have given you a Mac that you want to do that to. There's a couple of ways we can do this. What I would say to do is you could restart your computer holding the power button and the option key. Eventually you're going to see the grey screen pop up. You let go of the power key, you hold on to option until you see a list pops up that tells you disk utility. And with disk utility, what you can then do is choose your disk and erase it. And from there you can also choose options to reinstall the operating system. That's one way of doing it. There's a simpler way though. What we do is we go to disk utility. Go to Spotlight, type in the word disk. There it is right there. Now from disk utility, you can erase the disk. This is what you would do when you start up. Actually, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to come to my system preferences. I'm going to go to users and groups. Now from users and groups, what you want to do is first click the lock, put in your password. And what you need to do is you need to create a new user with administrative privileges. We hit the plus button down here. It says new account. We want to change it from standard to administrator. I'm just going to put in the word test right here. And create user. It's going to say you didn't put in a password. It's fine, don't need a password for this. You might want to put in a password when you're doing it. Now, what having this other user does is it lets me delete the other home folder. So, in this case, what I would want to do is log out of Patrick Call and log back in as test. Then I would go back to users and groups and system preferences, choose Patrick Call and delete it. And that would get rid of that home folder and create a fresh home folder with nothing in it and basically a new computer that's good to go. That is the way that I would do it. So let me show you here. With test is selected, I'm just going to hit the minus key. And it's giving me these options here for deleting the user account. You can save the home folder to a disk image, don't change the home folder, or delete the home folder. In this case, I want to delete the home folder. Erase home folder securely, delete user. And it's gone. That is basically how you reset your Mac back to its factory settings. I'm Patrick Call. Hope this has been helpful. Thank you for watching.